Hi, today in Samim Group, we're gonna take a look at embedder and de-embedder of UDC cards. Let's take a look. SDI signals contains 4 groups which, according to be activated or deactivated, they're gonna be green or red. Each group contains 2 channels. In here, the embeddeds be able to receive audio pairs. They are sending to audio proc inputs. Inside the embed section, here we have 16 audio proc inputs, and here is audio procs input tags. We can change inputs freely as we need it. For example, setting second pair of group 1 de-embed to input 1 and 2. Apply it. That's it. Also feel free to set other inputs as you wish. Everything will be visible in card schema. Let's make some changes from here. Okay. Also, we can receive outputs in embedder. Any of outputs can come from the embedder or analog in or AES in. No difference. Similar to the embedder, here we have 16 outputs and embed 1 to 8, which is digital audios on SDI signal. Ability to activate or deactivate groups. Also, we can set any output to any embed channel. Easy peasy. Thank you guys. This is all of it. For more information, you can check out our website at www.samimgroup.com. Thanks for watching.